Pakistan faced another devastating wave of floods that left widespread destruction across the country. Triggered by intense monsoon rains, cloudbursts, and flash flooding, the disaster has claimed more than 700 lives since late June, with thousands displaced and entire communities destroyed. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KP, was the hardest-hit province, where sudden cloudbursts and landslides wiped out villages. Buner alone reported over 200 deaths, while the overall toll in KP crossed 320. Survivors described the floods as striking within seconds, giving families little or no time to evacuate. On August 4, NDMA's Emergency Operations Center alerted that westerly waves could raise major rivers such as the Chenab, Jhelum, and their tributaries to medium and high flood levels, urging communities near rivers and nullahs to stay vigilant, keep emergency supplies ready.
Cari fratelli e sorelle, sono vicino alle popolazioni del Pakistan, dell'India e del Nepal colpite da violente alluvioni. Prego per le vittime e i loro familiari e per quanto soffrono a causa di questa calamità.
In Punjab and Islamabad, heavy monsoon downpours inundated low-lying regions, leading to dozens of fatalities, while Balochistan and Gilgit-Baltistan also suffered casualties and infrastructure losses. In the northern mountainous regions, glacial lake outburst floods, GLOFs, compounded the situation, cutting off remote villages and destroying bridges, making rescue operations extremely challenging. The devastation was not confined to KP. Sindh province, particularly Karachi, witnessed severe urban flooding, where torrential rain submerged streets, disrupted transport networks, and caused prolonged power outages. More than 25,000 residents were forced to evacuate to safer areas as rescue teams struggled to reach stranded families. Caritas Pakistan is on the ground, actively supporting flood-affected communities. The organization has deployed field teams to conduct assessments and monitor the evolving situation, ensuring that relief reaches the most vulnerable populations.